What's happening, bro?
Are you good, Doc?
Are you good?
Are you good? They've given them the
No.
first 5 names. They've given them the first 5 names. And I don't know if you've looked online
What were
already.
the first 5 names? I was watching. No, I haven't seen online. Like, I'm not there. I don't have Twitter anymore, remember?
And then now you cause enough trouble and then you get kicked off of Twitter. I think that one of the names that keep popping up is Areece, bro. And like, I think what cats need to understand is that, you know, that 30 minutes that people saw on screen is about 2 hours.
They're not crying about Busiswa. I thought they'd be crying about Busiswa rather than crying
They're
about
crying
Areece.
about Reece, dog. They're crying about Reece. And like,
is he trending?
I always say to cats, like, the edit takes out some things that are said that people are not understanding. And my point was simply, this year was supposed to be the year for Reece, but it just ended up not being, and other guys came through and took over.
Yeah, but like we cannot. Those things don't count. That's the fans talking. Let's forget about the Areece fans. Let's forget about the Areece fans for once. Let's just talk about what the numbers that were put up on the board. You know what I mean?
So what's your argument with Ubusi?
Areece fans are annoying because, like, when someone drops, they're like, yeah, this album is not hot until Areece drops. It's like, yo, relax, let Areece drop, you know what I mean? And then support him when he does drop, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Support him when he does drop. You saw Kabza the Small was on the top of the Spotify charts, not Areece. You understand what I'm saying?
But that's the thing, though, Nota.
If Areece fans were so strong and so powerful, he'd be at the top of the streaming charts. You know what I mean? He'd be at the top. He'd be at number 1. It would be undeniable. So, you know, that's another thing. So, like, I mean, like, the real bone of contention that people have is, like, this Busiswa thing is, like, that's what I see as people fighting about that. Because, you know, I saw how people responded to my whole entire Kamompela comments. And, like, you know, like, the first thing I wanted to say is, like, I didn't want people to think, like, this is a representation of hip-hop culture, per se. I was talking about rap. The action of rapping, like if someone raps, if someone is
rhythm
rapping,
and poetry, dog. Rhythm and poetry.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. And let's look at like Kamompela's songs, man. Who writes with her? Isn't she writing songs with rappers? She's writing songs with rappers. You know what I mean? Those that they songwrite together. You know what I mean? They do those raps together. They do the raps. You know what I mean? So her identifying or whatever and everything else. Look at what she's rocking. You know, apart from the fact that, you know, she creases her Air Force Ones, you know, she's not careful with the Air Force Ones, but maybe it's because, you know, Nike's endorsing
but
her.
Not, I think,
an
but then
unlimited amount.
And this is what I've always said to you.
She dresses the part.
Hold
now,
on. Okay. But this is what I'm saying. Hold up. No, but unje. No, I